News, my lovely, wonderful people. Governor Sim Fubara responds to court order saying, CBN should bar, allocations to Rivers State going forward. It says this is total abuse of power. This is total abuse. Martin faction is no longer part and parcel of the government in Rivers State. These are people who clearly broke the law. How can courts, Nigerian courts, a system that is supposed to be bringing about justice, honesty, and sincerity, be the one supporting them? That is because undue influence have been put on Nigerian judiciary system, which can no longer speak out the truth and ensure that Nigerians get the very, very honest position in terms of what is going on. Fubara says this is clear abuse of power, and what they intend to do is a trap to justify Fubara's impeachment. This is what they are doing. Okay, there is a trap to justify Fubara's, Fubara's impeachment. This is what they are asking for, and this is what they are doing. Nothing more, nothing less. Honestly, sincerely, truly speaking, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. This is total abuse of power. What they intend to do is for me to come represent the budget, and is a trap for justification for my impeachment. It's sad that these things are truly happening. So this is what is going on now as Nigerians continue to watch. Fubara responds, this is all a trap and I will not allow it. Lekon Jackson Ojo, security consultant and public affairs commentator, has spoken about the just recently court judgment by the court. Sim Fubara has told Nigerians that the Martin faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly are not legal entity that has a jurisdiction or any form of right to go to Nigerian court against the government of Rivers State. These are people who have broken the law, clearly broken the law. How can they still have the influence or the jurisdiction of going to court? They are asking for me to represent a budget, the state 2024 budget, to them, even though they have already submitted it to the legal house, which are the people who are still with the party that brought them in, the Judicial faction. In the video shared, Fubara has said he will not allow this injustice to continue, as this is against Nigeria and against the truth that shows what we really stand for. Lekon has said that Nigerian government needs to re-examine itself, especially the judiciary needs to tell Nigerians what they really mean by the actions they are taking in terms of all that is going on right now. Nobody can come on to impeach Fubara, who is not even a legal entity. All this is stemming from the FCT minister, who is using the judiciary from Abuja to control what goes on in Rivers State. And everyone is silently watching him. This is not right in any way, form, or kind. Nigerians must own up to the truth and ensure that honesty and sincerity is spread across as we go on to reveal what the true situation is in the country. Enough of the lies. Enough of those who are coming to tell us what is not. Enough is enough. So Sim Fubara, it's what for Sim Fubara is enough. And he's saying these people are not even legal entity. They are not even legal entity. They are not. They are not even legal entity. They have left the party that brought them in. So how can they have a legal right to sue a government, that the government should come and project budgets to them, present budgets to them? How does this work? Honestly, sincerely, truly speaking, how does this just work? How does it work? It is the combination of rubbish mixed with rubbish and rubbish in all shades of form and sizes. People left their party when they shouldn't. The party that brought them in. The president is supporting rubbish and everybody is accepting it. It's terrible. What is Nigeria really turning to? This is why the judiciary was crying for financial autonomy. Because when you continue to do these things, people go ahead and they want to take advantage of a system. That's why one person can seize a plot of land, look for somewhere in Abuja, and go ahead and say he's building houses for judges so that they can give judgment in his favor. How? Just how do we reconcile all of this? Thank God for Falana, who has come to say what is going on is unacceptable and should not be allowed to continue in any way, form, or kind. Femi Falana has said, he has no right to be building, houses for judges. What can you say as a judge? What can you say as a judge? If you have been given something, then the eyes of the justice, when you look at that, the symbol of justice, the eyes are blind. Why? Giving true judgment indiscriminately, irrespective of who you are, irrespective of race, color, size, religion, whatever, you give the judgment based on the evidences before you. However, all of this has been turned to something else. As people take advantage of any situation, to want to gain things in their favor. How can a state be stopped from having their, what they need to carry out day-to-day activity? You are not only just punishing Fubara, let me tell you. You are punishing the teachers. You are punishing children, those that just gave birth, that should buy baby food. You are punishing local government, everybody. This is what you are doing. Just to grant Fubara because you want to make a statement. And we are all watching this and we are silent. Enough is enough. I agree with Fubara, enough is enough. And by the way, we're not saying Fubara is a saint. That's not the essence at all. We are not saying Fubara is a saint. But what is going on has come to show us that these people are taking advantage of a government. And Tinubu, all he could say was, if children are born to your family, will you reject them? That was what Tinubu said. He said, if children are born to your family, will you reject them? This is terrible. When you know what is wrong, and then you turn a blind eye to it. What a terrible situation we've come to find ourselves as a nation. So leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.